Welcome to UNISON. We're here to introduce you our gas soldering iron set. There are lots of contents inside: soldering iron, sponge, many tips, and solder wire. It is cordless, light, and portable. You can put into your pocket. Before first using, fill in the gas from the bottom. Very easy, and no need to worry about gas leak problem. The full condition fuel can continuous work 90 minutes. It is safety and easy operated with 4-section gas control nut and 3-step safety control design. Press this button. First, push the button together, then dial the button finally. Just remember 3 steps. Press, push, and dial. You can easily operate by just one hand. The aluminum body can against high temperature and avoid explosion. Inside the cover, we use ceramic material. This material can keep stable temperature, about 450 degrees, and also provide stable power, about 150 watts, so it can prolong the using lifetime. If the temperature is too high after a long period of using, we also have cool down design. Press this button and the temperature will go down quickly. The tips contains 5 different layer coating. It can protect tip and extend the using lifetime. We provide 5 different tips: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can choose according to different using places. For example, heat shrinking, soldering, plastic, and IC board. In IC board area, it can use together with the soldering pump. Let's see the video. The desoldering process can be completed smoothly with the aluminum body design and the Teflon material of the suction head. It can against high temperature and anti-static. UNISON always provides you reliability and durability to ease your work.